How to add mods to Binding of Isaac Repentance. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this tutorial. Starting off, launch your Steam and search for Binding of Isaac Repentance. Now if you have not purchased the game yet, go ahead and purchase it, as you will find the workshop option in here, to which you'll be able to easily search for the mods that you want to add. Just tap on the subscribe button next onto it to add the mod to your Binding of Isaac Repentance. Second option, to check out the community option and head to your workshop. In the search bar, just go ahead and search for mods for Binding of Isaac Repentance. When you give it a search, it will display all of the mod that you can add to the Binding of Isaac Repentance. You can launch the game application and navigate to the mods section and just add the mod that you just subscribed. You can also add external mods, but make sure that it is supported by the game. And that is pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.